Tagalog translation. Equal money FAQ, frequently asked question. Will there be banks in an equal money system? Tanong at sagot. Magkakaroon ba ng mga bangko sa equal money system?
Will there be banks in an equal money system? One would assume that money and banking goes together.
May i-assume natin na ang bangko at saka pera ay magkasama.
But in an equal money system it doesn't.
Pero sa equal money system, hindi ito totoo.
Banks is purely being a service provider.
Ang mga bangko ay service provider lang
that has made money through controlling the movement of money.
Na gumana ng pera dahil sa pagkontrol sa movement ng pera.
There is now no longer a profit incentive or reason
Ngayon wala ng reason, wala ng rason
in a system when it's an equal money system, and therefore the banking system will no longer exist.
Wala ng rason na magkaroon ito. So, sa equal money system, wala na ang mga bangko. Wala na tayong mga bangko.
The banking buildings could be quite cool.
Ang mga banking buildings ay okay.
In terms of a community center.
At pwedeng gawing community center.
Where one work to support each other.
Kung saan tayo kung saan natin susuportahan ang isa't isa.
To have a functional, effective community.
Para magkaroon tayo ng functional na epektibo na komunidad.
But because the money per se will not be owned, the only thing that will...
Dahil ang pera ay hindi ino-own o walang nagmamay-ari.
Be owned would be life.
At ang pag-aari lang natin ay buhay.
Money and equal money will purely be the logistical system.
Ang pera at saka ang equal money ay logistical system lang.
That is used in the allocation.
At ito ay ginagamit sa alokasyon
of resources
ng mga resources
at an individual and a global scale.
Sa individual at sa global scale.
Join us to learn more about what it
para maintindihan nyo
means to be truly free.
Kung paano talaga maging free. Magkaroon ng kalayaan.
Free from the voice in the head.
Free from the voice from the head. Magkaroon ng kalayaan na wala nang babagabag sa ating konsyensya.
that has been programmed into you
Na iprinogram sa atin
to make you a good consumer
o sa iyo. Para maging para maging mabuti kang consumer.
slave,
Para maging mabuti kang consumer, slave.
so that you can see if you are free from the voice,
Para makita mo na malaya ka na, wala nang bumabagabag sa iyo sa konsyensya mo.
there is another voice you've missed, which is the voice of life.
Meron kang namimiss na tinatawag nating voice of life. Voice ng buhay.
Now it's time
At ito na ang panahon
to reconnect
para i-reconnect
and to interconnect and to
at ma-interconnect
become truly one.
at para tayo magkaroon ng pagkakaisa at maging isa na tayo
And equal as life.
at maging equal na tayo as life, as buhay,
At destiny.
at destiny. www.destiny.co.za and www.equalmoney.org.